To personalize Wealthfront investing, start by understanding your financial goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that offers automated investment management services, but it also provides tools to tailor your portfolio to your individual needs. First, sign in to your Wealthfront account and navigate to the investment section. Here, you can view your current portfolio and adjust your investment mix. Wealthfront offers a range of portfolios, including tax-optimized portfolios, income generation portfolios, and socially responsible portfolios. Choose a portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. For example, if you are a conservative investor, you may prefer a portfolio with a higher allocation to bonds and lower allocation to stocks. On the other hand, if you are an aggressive investor, you may prefer a portfolio with a higher allocation to stocks and lower allocation to bonds. Next, consider tax loss harvesting, which is a feature offered by Wealthfront to help minimize tax liabilities. This feature automatically sells securities that have declined in value and uses the losses to offset gains from other investments, reducing your tax bill. You can also customize your portfolio by adding or removing individual securities. However, this is not recommended unless you have a deep understanding of investing and are willing to take on additional risk. Another key feature of Wealthfront is its financial planning tool, which helps you create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your goals and circumstances. This tool allows you to set and track progress towards specific goals, such as retirement or buying a home. To get the most out of Wealthfront, it is essential to regularly review and adjust your portfolio as needed. This includes rebalancing your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance, and updating your financial plan to reflect changes in your circumstances. By following these steps and taking advantage of Wealthfront's personalized investing features, you can create a tailored investment strategy that helps you achieve your financial goals and build long-term wealth. Wealthfront's automated investment management and tax optimization tools make it an attractive option for investors who want a hands-off approach to investing, while still allowing for customization and flexibility.